How to change YouTube Shorts thumbnail after posting. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up YouTube application on your device. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now tap on View Channel. Now tap on Shorts tab. Now tap on three dots of the shorts you want to edit. Now simply tap on Edit. Now on the shorts video, you will find a pencil icon. Now simply tap on it. Now select the thumbnail you want to choose. Now once you select it, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. Now click on save once you're done. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.